So to kick off this module, we're going to start off with the two basic laws of thermodynamics. So the first law of thermodynamics, which is also known as the law of energy conservation, states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, only transformed. The relevance for athletes is that when we produce energy, when we convert ATP into energy, we give off thermal energy as heat. So heat is a byproduct of work. So the mechanical work, the chemical work, everything is done to create energy and perform as an athlete. There is a byproduct of heat. So we generate a lot of metabolic heat. In fact, roughly 75 to 80% of metabolic energy is lost as heat. So when we train with very high intensity or for very long duration, we actually generate a lot of internal core heat, and that is the primary driver of heat stress. Now, only 20-25% is used for mechanical work. So you can imagine when you're putting out a high amount of mechanical work, just how much heat is being given off. Now, the second law of thermodynamics is that energy transfer is never 100% efficient and that all spontaneous processes increase entropy. So in this sense, entropy is heat accumulation. It's the metabolic byproduct that builds off the first law, where we cannot convert all of the energy into work and be super efficient. Instead, we're actually quite inefficient and we give up a lot of heat. And this is why you see bodies overheat very quickly. And even in cold conditions, if you do a warm up, you can generally get your body temperature up relatively fast. Now, the big takeaway in this first section is that these laws are universal, they are fundamental, and we can't get around the fact that if we're going to perform physical, mechanical work, we will generate heat as a byproduct. So there will be metabolic heat produced during all physical work.